Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the News Hour. It's prime time, and it's Arnav Goswami back on the debate. Welcome to this one-sided debate where only my opinions and judgments matter. Today, we are going to debate on the topic why there are more issues in software industry compared to other industries. Today, I am going to shout upon these people. Here we have Mr. Client from 5M Company, who oversees software development, civil engineering and electrical divisions. On the other hand, we have Mr. Developer from DevTex Company, who is a software developer. We also have Mr. Civil Engineer here, who is responsible for developing many successful civil engineering projects. And here, Mr. XYZ, I don't think he needs any introduction, because if you are closely following my shows, there is always one guy who doesn't get an opportunity to speak. This is this guy. So moving on, I would like to give the golden opportunity to Mr. Client, whether he thinks there are a lot of issues in software industry or not. Mr. Client, go ahead.
Well, yes, Arnab. I have been in this industry since 20 years. I saw a lot of issues. These guys don't deliver project on time. Even if they delivered, still there are issues. Due to this, we are facing numerous problems.
Mr. Developer, welcome to the show. What is your take on this?
Thank you, Arnab, for...
No, Mr. Developer. Don't you thank me. By using good words and kind words like please and thank you, don't think that I will go easy on you. Okay, you can continue.
Sorry, Mr. Arnab. On the notion that the failure rate is being high only in the software industry is completely wrong. Because there is no evidence or statistics suggesting that.
Stop, hold on. Statistics? Yes, I will give you statistics. In 2007, you have been given one project to catch 50 two-legged mosquitoes, 30 three-legged mosquitoes. Out of them, 50 of them should be male. What happened to that project, sir? It's a complete failure. Let me give you another statistic. In 2009, you have been given yet another project in which you just need to draw two parallel lines which intersect each other. What about that project, sir?
Arnab,
Please wait. Listen to me, please wait.
Arnab, you have to understand that it's a two parallel lines. You can't intersect those two.
Oh.
It's a universal fact.
Okay, Mr. Developer, let us accept the fact that it is very hard for you to do, not for us. And let me give you another statistic. In this year, I am told that you have given another project to design a simple login user page, which has just two fields, username and password. And Mr. Client over here says that is also an utter failure. And I want to, now do you want me to repeat off on the topic, or I will give Mr. Client the chance to speak on it? Mr. Client, go ahead.
Oh, yes, Arnab. This project is a big failure of this year. There are only two simple fields. One is username and the other one is a password. See, when I enter something in the username, it is visible. But here is the case. When I enter anything in the password, it is always being displayed star. Why?
Mr. Developer, don't you hang your head so low. You are still at the starting of the debate. What do you want to tell about this?
Arnab, you have to understand that the password field is a protected field. So we always show the stars there so that no one will see your password, what you are typing there. That's why we show stars there.
Mr. Developer, I understood that. It is for security purpose only. But when I am entering the password, no one is around me. What is the security matters?
But how can Developer? Mr. Developer, please let me speak.
Arnab,
Please, man. Wait.
Arnab, please one
I'm asking a simple question tonight. Arre Baba, if you are always displaying stars, how will you know what I am typing? I'm asking a simple question tonight. No. Hold on. How will I know what I am typing if I am not able to see all the letters I am typing?
Arnab, just listen. The password is a security field.
Security? Say security again. I dare you, say security again. Mr. Developer, I am giving you enough chances to present a reasonable argument. You are not saying. Please. No. Okay, let's go on to Mr. Civil Engineer who has been developing successful projects. Mr. Civil Engineer. Mr. Civil Engineer.
Yes, you're right, you're right, Arnab, you're right.
What is right, what is wrong?
Whatever you said was right.
Okay, the discussion is not about what is right and what is wrong. So my question to you is, why there are more successful projects in civil engineering compared to software industry?
Yes, that was a good question. Success rate in our industry is very high because we always follow the layout and design given to us. First paperwork, then only we start work. I think these software guys, they do start work without having a proper planning and analysis
Arnab,
on the
I will-
requirements.
Let him start.
Mr. Civil Engineer, have you seen any software company before that? DJ? Because you are talking like a just kid. How can you say that we can't, we won't concentrate on work and we will enjoy with the parties and weekends? So who said?
It is a universal fact that you software guys always enjoy. You have weekends, you always enjoy in pubs. It is universal fact. See, look at them. They are going to have a DJ soon. See, our civil engineers do not have anything. We work under very bad conditions. Even hot summer, rainy season. You can look at the metro works. Look at our colleagues who is working under for metro works.
Mr. Civil Engineer, we will start the, we will analyze the design and requirements first, then only we will proceed. It's not like, but let's say example, when you are constructing a bridge, no one will ask you to turn that 60 degrees later after about you are finishing that.
Arnab,
But
I have to add. I want to add on, but Arnab, please, Arnab. One shot, Arnab, please, Arnab.
But this is not our case. The design regularly changes. Even before the deadline, the design may change. And we are saying we enjoy the parties and weekend. You know how many deadlines we have? How much pressure we have?
Okay, Mr. Developer. Mr. Client Developer is here, is making an accusation on you that you always change the design after the project is started. I don't think so. What do you say?
Yes, Arnab, always, you're always right. Yeah. We will not have any drastic changes, of course. We'll have very small and smooth and cool changes. For example, I can give you a small example if you ask me. In my current project, we have a small requirement. I want to log into my Facebook account and my Gmail account with my portal login details. These guys are saying it is impossible.
Hey, come on. Logging into Facebook
Yeah.
with the same credentials whatever using in a web portal.
Small requirement.
How is this possible? Are you thinking, just concentrate what you are asking for this, to meet this requirement, I should meet Mr. Mark Zuckerberg and Larry Page for
Hold
that.
on. What are you talking? Why are you bringing those guys into my debate? I'm not prepared to face them. And you are saying that you have not spoken to Mark Zuckerberg and Larry Page to complete your project. Which means, sir, it is evident that you have not put enough efforts on your project. And so, it is a failure.
No, Arnab, it's not like that. So we are saying that the requirements and design changes regularly. That is what our problem is.
No. I'm not
I'm
here
not
to
involving
your
Mark
project.
here.
And you also have hefty salaries and bonuses, gratuities. How do you enjoy them without doing any work?
Come on, yaar. Everybody will see our annual package only, but no one will see our salary breakage. You know how much taxes and how much gratuity we are paying.
I am not going to allow your personal sorrows on my debate. If you look at me, I am sitting here with a nice coat. Everyone thinks that I am cool and I am having good amount of money with me. I don't have enough money to buy my BP tablets also. Okay, concluding the debate, Arnab today decides that software engineer is not working properly.
Arnab, one chance. Arnab, one chance. Arnab.
No, Mr. Developer. Let me complete.
Arnab,
No, wait, I will give you the chance. So Arnab today decides that software engineering is incompetent, and due to this, there are a lot of issues in software industry. And before closing the debate, I would like to ask Mr. Client, since I am facing issues with my salary, I would like to ask him whether he would like to take me as a software developer because the tasks are very small, catching mosquitoes, trying to parallel lines, designing simple web page. Would you take me as a developer?
Oh, this guy considered me. If I recruited you, I will ask my company, I will ask my job.
Okay. What about you, civil engineer? Do you agree with me? You said I am right always.
Yes, please. Yes. I don't think so. You are a good fit for our job. You are best for this job. There are so many people who are ready to hit by you. They will be working with you. Thank you.
Wait, I will also come.
Arnab, can I? No?
You're playing like a mother. Baby, come tomorrow, I will give you a chance. Thank you.